hapon sa ating mga manonood sa Sky Cable Channel 28, Beautiful Heart Show. Today we are doing a special, no? Ang Batang Musmos Movement Special. Ang nakita naman natin kanina during the Sunday service dito sa Balasing, no? Yung mga active youth members ng kanilang church. And of course, this is made possible through the leadership of Maria Corazon Duanhati, no? My niece, no? She has been involved with harnessing the potentials of the youth in their ministry, no? Good afternoon, Maricor. Her nickname is Maricor.
Good afternoon,
Yeah. The reason that I would like to really give time to talk to you is because we have already established that ang Batang Musmos movement, we have identified the different problems of the Batang Musmos, the street children, the abused children, the abandoned children, the neglected children, the poor children in our society. Kanina na pag-usapan namin na maraming factors ang involved kung bakit ang isang batang musmos nanunulun sa masamang bisyo o nahahatak sa kasamaan. I know you're educated along the line of early education. Saan ka ba nag-graduate, Maricor?
Sa Ateneo de Manila.
Yung academic background, anong specialty mo?
My undergrad is BS Psychology.
BS Psychology, and after that you work as a teacher, right? Elementary teacher?
Actually, I as a preschool teacher for 8 years. And then now I'm in Miriam College.
Taken special courses or postgraduate courses in early childhood education?
I did from Diliman, teaching in the early days, and now I'm starting in guidance.
Ayaw maniwala, nanganak na si Mama.
Your expertise, no, we will surely need it in our movement, no, yung ating Batang Musmos. We have identified already volunteers, no, here in your own ministry. Marami na nagvo-volunteer to be part of ang Batang Musmos movement. We have already identified the problems too, yung mga Batang Musmos sa lansangan, no. Some of them are already